Verifying your bank account on Rocky Mountain Bank is an important process to ensure the security of your financial transactions. Follow these steps to complete the verification. Step 1. Visit the official website. Go to the Rocky Mountain Bank website. Look for the login section of the account verification page to begin the process. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to account verification. Once logged in, find the section for account settings or verification. This is typically located in the account management or security settings area. Step 4. Provide required information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Shark to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After entering all required information, submit your verification request. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your account is now verified. Completing these steps will help ensure that your bank account is verified and secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Rocky Mountain Bank's customer support for assistance.